Okay, so with example 4, we're still being asked to find the equation of a line that goes through a point, but this time, instead of being told another equation, we're given two ordered pairs. And we still want to figure out a line that is parallel to these two ordered pairs. So just like with every other problem, my ultimate goal is to have an equation that is in the slope-intercept form, where I know my slope and I know my y-intercept. So if I'm looking for a line parallel, then I need to first find the slope of this, because anytime you have two ordered pairs, you can find the slope with our slope-intercept form. With our slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if these are my two ordered pairs, here's x1, here's y1, here's x2, here's y2, and I'm going to do y2 is 11 minus y1 is negative 5. So keep track of your negatives there. You have 11 minus a negative 5. For my x's, I've got x2 is 1 minus, because that's in my formula, negative 3 is x1. Okay, then you can use your calculator or whatever method you want. 11 minus negative 5, we would change that to adding the inverse, which is 16. 1 minus negative 3, we would change it to adding the inverse, which is 4. Now, 16 divided by 4, you can simplify, or it is a fraction, but you can treat it as division. That's 16 divided by 4, which is 4. So because my ultimate answer is going to be parallel to this line, that means the slope is the same. So I right now know that my equation is going to look like this. I'm still missing my y-intercept though. But at this point, it's just like all the previous examples we've done. I know my slope, and I know an ordered pair that this line is going to go through. So I'm going to use this ordered pair to be my x value and my y value. So y is negative 7 equals 4 times x is negative 1, because that's my x value, plus b. And now it's just a matter of solving that equation. So 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. Everything else stays the same. And then to get rid of this negative 4, I'm going to do the opposite, which means add 4 to both sides. And negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3 equals b. So now I've found my other missing piece. So I can go back up to this equation that we started at the beginning and finish it up. So I have y equals 4x, and then you can either put plus negative 3 or just minus 3. And that is my answer. All right.